Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check Upbuy review page, so let's start. Upbuy, it's a website where you are shopping in China directly and the price difference and it's sent to your country. So it offers you many things that you can do it here, place an order, deliver to your warehouse, quality assurance and global shipping comes easy. Also, you have assistance 24 hours if you need help with a product, etc. So you can check here. You have the diet, not to share, the picks, and you have promotions here. Claim for 500 points, 2,000 coins, buy goes mobile, share and cash in. So you can check here. If you prefer to see the promotion, you can go to the promotion button, and well, you have to log in before to buy it. As you can see, it says new registration, get 1,500 coupon that you can use it to your budget. So now you can search here something, for example a toy, and you can search and you can see if there is toy for you that you can buy it. If you're interested in something, just click here and check the price, the description of the product. As you can see here, it starts from 4. You can check it, you can leave the message if you have a doubt about something, and well, you can see the pictures here. So if you prefer, also you can buy it now or add to cart depending on what you want, and that's it. So then you can change here the language you prefer, English, Spanish, Japanese, and also the currency you can change it. Now you can enter and log in and go to buy the product. If you prefer, well, you can check every product carefully, and well, now it's better to use it because it's very a way to easily buy something from China directly. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.